Guangdong Junshengda Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, founded in 2009, registered in 2017, is a professional engaged in automation equipment research and development, manufacturing and sales as well as technology enterprises. Company has many years engaged in non-standard automation equipment research and development of super technical team. Adhering to the pragmatic, trustworthy, technology innovation, excellent quality concept, positive enterprising, scientific management, always adhere to the high efficiency of operation, industry exquisite technology, industry certification quality, the spirit of excellence, to provide customers with high-quality automation equipment and a perfect service. With professional technology, first-class quality, service serve all industries. Since the establishment, our company in the home hardware Hinge, slide rear industry has developed a lot of semi-automatic and fully automatic models suitable for home hardware accessories manufacturers. Development equipment has automatic rebuild machine, nailing machine, the punch tooth taping machine, rubber fitting screw machine, and clip with spring tail buckle machine. 3D eccentric-based groove installed machine. Hinge clip roll automatic rebend machine. Hinge cob assembly with U-pin machine. Buffer cylinder connecting parts machine. Hinge fatigue testing machine. Rear fatigue testing machine. Spring fatigue tester machine. Various hinge automatic assembly line. Steel ball rail. Hidden rail automatic group installed nearly more than 30 different process models. Almost from stamping up to all processes of production equipment. It's a high-tech enterprise. It always takes technological innovation as the core and pays attention to R&D investment. Through independent research and development, by 2022, it has obtained a number of innovation patents and established a good cooperative relationship with international first-class enterprises. We always take the customer as the center, firmly establish the concept of providing quality service for customers. To provide a personalized, customized automation equipment to meet the diversified market needs, to create greater value for customers. In the strict control of quality, grasp the detailed management at the same time. The whole process of supervision from raw material procurement to product production to win the trust of customers with high quality. Junshengda continues to develop 5 competitive advantages. Continuous technical advantages in its field. Continuously provide stable and reliable product. Competitive prices. Full-cycle stereoscopic customer service, and end-to-end rapid delivery capability. In the future, we will continue to increase investment in high-end equipment industry research and development and production, deep and develop business landscape to strengthen the construction of a technical experts team, improve comprehensive management ability, and adhering to the pursuit of excellence power spirit. Actively corresponding national development strategy into the new development pattern. Junshengda Company always stick to their beginner's mind mission to become a household hardware accessories automation industry leader and practitioners.